Hello students, in continuation of the ECGC and its role in international trade, in this lecture we'll deal with how ECGC helps Indian exporters. ECGC provides a bouquet of services under the credit risk domain. Below are some of the key ECGC products and services available to Indian exporters that one can get from ECGC policy. Short-term turnover-based services. These are the types of payments terms in short-term period for Indian exporters. Shipments Comprehensive Risks Policy, short form is SCR. SCR is a 12-month policy available to exporters with a turnover of over rupees 500 crores. A Small Exporters Policy, SEP, is available for exporters with a turnover of rupees 5 crore or below and has maximum risk coverage at cost below rupees 2 crores. The Specific Shipment Policies SSP is valid for shipments made within the policy period and for up to 80% of the shipment value. Services Policy SRC is for single long-term services contracts, is suited for Indian companies who agree with foreign principals to provide technical or professional services. Export Turnover Policy (ETP) is for large exporters who contribute not less than rupees 20 lakhs in annual premium. Exports Specific Buyers Policy (BWP) provides the same coverage as SCRP TPC against shipments sent to a specific buyer. Consignment Exports Policy Stock Holding Agent (CSA) covers shipments sent by the exporters to their overseas agents on a consignment basis. Next set of services provided by CGC are short-term exposure-based services. These are the payment terms in short-term exposure-based period in exports. Buyer Exposure Policy (BEP) is against many shipments sent to a specific buyer with a simplified process and rationalized premium. IT-enabled services policy Single Customer SITES is available against billings made to a single customer for IT services rendered. Micro Exporter Policy MEP is an exposure policy for exporters with a turnover that costs below rupees 100 lakh and offers up to 90% cover. Software Project Policy SPP is for exporters of software and related services where payment will be received in foreign exchange. Now the next set of services are categorized under the name medium and long-term services. These are the best mode of export payments for medium and long-term period services. First one is Construction Work Policy. CWP is designed for an Indian contractor who is carrying out an overseas civil construction contract. Specific Policy for Supply Contract is meant for exporters who have a credit period of fewer than 180 days and want continuing insurance on the shipments. The Specific Shipment Policy SSP, like the namesake policy offered for short terms, is intended for exporters who have agreed to supply capital goods to overseas buyers on deferred terms of payment. A Specific Services Policy SSCP is designed to cover payment risk emerging out of various overseas services contracts like technical requirements, professional hiring, leasing, etc. Letter of Credit Confirmation LCC covers Indian banks against a foreign bank's default on lines of credit. Apart from the above, the ECGC also provides services like export factoring facilities for MSMEs, insurance cover for buyer's credit and line of credit, overseas investment insurance, customer specific covers, and the setting up of a national export insurance account to facilitate medium and long-term exports. It also offers a wide range of credit risk insurance products for exporters' banks. So these were in a nutshell the services provided by ECGC to Indian traders operating in international market. Thank you.